So here are some quick molar conversions to help you to prepare for your Unit 2 test. I would suggest that you have out paper, pencil, calculator, and a periodic table as well as your reference sheet to help you with these calculations. So this is a great time to pause the video and see if you can convert from moles to grams. So how many moles are there in 45.3 grams of iron 2 chloride? See what you can do. All right, so let's see how you did. Of course, you should always start with 45.3 grams. That's what's given in the problem. And then you're just setting up your dimensional analysis. And so hopefully you came up with the molar mass at 126.75. Those cancel out and then rounded to 3 significant figures, the answer. All right, let's do the next one. Great time again to pause the video. I am going across, by the way, not down. So moles to particles. All right, so how did you do? Hopefully you used Avogadro's number and got that number, 0.09. The other 2 zeros are just to keep us at 3 significant figures, of course. All right, let's move right on down. 8.32 moles of water. So again, hopefully you wrote that down and used that molar mass to go from moles to grams or grams to moles. In this case, we're going from moles to grams. Again, that decimal point at the end of 150 to keep us at 3 significant figures. How about this one? 9.21 moles of methane, CH4. And so hopefully you got that. And rather than saying methane, I should say carbon tetrahydride for the correct IUPAC nomenclature. All right, so again, here are those answers. So be sure to practice doing that. All right, and now we've got some more for you. So this is going from moles to liters. So see what you can do. Again, you're going to start with what's given in the problem. The conversion factor hopefully you used was 22.4. Notice that with that conversion factor, these moles are going to be able to cancel out or do what we like to call diagonally drop. So they are gone. All right, how about the last one? Hopefully you again started with 882. Came up with 39.4 moles. And of course, those are moles of O2. So if I was going to have to go to grams of O2, I would have to multiply by 32, not 16, because this is O2. And then I just have a mole to mole one for you to do from a chemical equation. So take a look at the equation and see what you can do. Oh, sorry, I went too fast. So hopefully you noticed that there was a 1 to 2 mole ratio, and you got 22.8 moles of silver. I'm hoping this helps you. Please send me emails or reminds to let me know what else I can do to help you as you're studying and preparing for your test.